afternoon, everyone. I am outside with Ollie. We're playing outside for a little bit. It's a little chilly. I have Nick's coat on, but Ollie wanted to go out, so I figured I'd bring him out. He's running around outside while Nick and Brooklyn are in the house. So we're supposed to be decorating for Christmas today inside, but Nick wasn't feeling too well. His head's a little dizzy because he's getting over a head cold, so we are probably going to wait until tomorrow to do that. So I am just outside with Ollie right now, and he's running around. I thought I would show you guys. Hope you guys are all having a great day. We still have leftovers after Thanksgiving. It's 2 days later, and we still have tons. And we gave his sister a whole bunch yesterday because she came to visit the baby yesterday, so we pawned some off on her, but we still have so much. But this is what Ollie's doing. He found a piece of trash in the yard, in the back corner that blew into our yard, and he's ripping it up into 1,000 pieces. Hey, what do you have? Ollie Bear. He's running away from me. He doesn't want me to get it from him. Hey, you're not supposed to have that. Got your butt sticking up in the air. You're having fun out here? It's a little chilly, isn't it? Mommy's cold. Where's your ball? Hey. Ollie, where's your ball? Where's the ball? He's a big scaredy cat. He just went near the grill and the cover blew, and he ran. Ollie, get out of there. Look at how this baby girl fell asleep. She's out cold on her daddy. She was fussy, so daddy had her on his lap and he was just rocking her and stuff, and she fell asleep sitting up. Listen to her snoring.
I can't feel my fingers.
Daddy can't feel his fingers. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Oh my goodness. She looks quite comfy there though, Daddy. She's snoring so loud too. Say hello, everybody. Say, I just woke up from a little nap. I'm super happy right now. I look really cute today. Say, I was just talking up a storm and smiling like crazy. Daddy's getting the pizza out of the oven that we made for dinner. Ollie's standing and watch because he's hoping Daddy will drop something.
This is all done?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Monkey! What are you doing?
Say hi, guys. You say hello. Say, I'm a cute girl. I'm such a sweet girl. You like my bow, guys? I think I look cute. My shirt says I'm so cute. Let's show them what your shirt says. Let's see if we can show them. Look at me, guys. I'm so cute. Ooh. Oh. You got some hair on you. You pulling Mama's hair out? Ouch. And look at him sitting all nicely, hoping to get some food. And so look at him sitting all nicely, hoping to get some food. Hi, little miss. Look how cute you look. You're such a sweet girl. Look at that bow. It matches your outfit. Look at your socks. They have little faces on them. The one broke. But look, they got little faces. They're so cute. Hi, baby, baby. Aboo. What are you doing? Are you happy, girl? Yeah, you're so happy. Your Ollie is so noisy, isn't he? He's so noisy. Hi, sweet girl. You trying to eat your shirt? Really? Tell me. What? Yeah? Is that so?
A lot to say for a little one.
She's very, very talkative, Daddy.
A lot to say.
You're a sweet girl. Such a sweet girl. Look at those little feet going. You're so cute.
It's okay.
Little Miss is having a little bit of a rough time right now.
It's okay.
Daddy's calming her down.
I know.
And that one over there. He just came from Grandma and Grandpa's and ran around outside. But yet, he's still going nuts. Look at that. Her and her daddy. She loves Daddy. Daddy's really good at calming baby girl down. She's got a smirk on her face now.
You okay? Hmm?
You happy girl now?
You okay, monkey?
You love your daddy.
Hmm? You okay? You okay now? Yeah? Yeah.
I just need your dada snuggles. See, okay friends, we're gonna say goodbye for the day. Say thanks for watching me today, guys. Yeah. Oh, she doesn't want to say goodbye. But we have to. All good things must come to an end. I'm sorry. But thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Say subscribe, right? We would love to have you guys here, and we'd love to have you join our family and watch our daily lives. So thanks for watching today. We really appreciate it. Say peace out, homies. I know, she really doesn't want to say goodbye, but that's okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.